Welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to uncover the mystery behind electrical panels. Whether you're a homeowner or just interested in learning more about the electrical system in your building, this comprehensive guide is for you. So, what exactly is an electrical panel? Well, it's the heart of your electrical system, acting as a control center for all the electricity flowing through your home. It's responsible for distributing power to the various circuits, ensuring that everything from your lights to your appliances works seamlessly. At first glance, electrical panels may seem daunting with all those switches, breakers, and wires. But fear not, we are here to simplify it for you. Let's start with the main component, the circuit breaker. This is a safety device that automatically shuts off the power if it detects an overload or a short circuit, preventing any potential hazards. Inside the electrical panel, you'll find rows of circuit breakers, each controlling a specific set of outlets or fixtures. These breakers are labeled, making it easy to identify which circuit is connected to which area of your home. When it comes to electrical panels, it's important to remember a few key points. First, always hire a licensed electrician if you need any work done on your panel. Second, make sure to turn off the main power switch before attempting any repairs or adjustments. Safety should always be the top priority. In conclusion, electrical panels are not as mysterious as they may seem. They are the backbone of your electrical system, ensuring efficient and safe distribution of power throughout your home. So, next time you see your electrical panel, you'll have a better understanding of what it does and how it works. Thank you for joining us today as we unveiled the mystery behind electrical panels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.